Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will write a dice roll simulator in Python. First, I'm going to import random module or random, and then I'm going to set some min value from 0 and max value max, set to 5 because our index will start from 0 and it will go up to 5. And this is set to true. We will prompt the user if they want to roll the dice again. So we are going to use this variable there. And now I'm going to use a while loop. While again, we are going to print Unicode characters for our dice. Those will be U for Unicode, string U2680, and then U2681, and then U2682. Two, 6, 8, 3. We have 4. We need 2 more. We'll go up to 5, 6, 8, 5. It's going to be 6, 8, 4. And then U U2685. And after this, I'm going to use a random dot ran int function and pass in our min and max. Min, well, and we're here. The next one will be max. Oh, well, and after this, we are going to get the input from the user, or if they want to roll the dice again, this will be choice from user, use the input function, and you want to roll the dice. And then we are going to check with the if condition. If choice equals to y, or choice equals to yes, entered by the user, then we are going to set our variable again to true. else we are going to set again variables and files. Else again is set to false. Just save our program. There's a column missing over here for the if. Now let's run our program. I'm using Python 3 and just hit enter. And first time it generate for us. And then it asks if you want to roll the dice. We'll go with Y for yes. And you can see it created another one for us. Another one. And press Y again. So this way you can keep on going. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll send code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.